Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to edit your website after you've created one on sitepad with using these guys, Hosting Giant, who have a very reasonable pricing structure. Let me just quickly show you. Let's visit their website. Alright, internet is a bit slow today. Alright, so while this is opening, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be editing this website. It's actually very easy, and whatever we do here with the edits, it applies to each and every page that you see right here. So these guys, they've got packages that are really cool. They've got this pre-starter which is 30 Rand. It doesn't come with the sitepad, but it does come with WordPress website, and they've got the 45 Rand one, which also does not come. It comes with a sitepad, but it does not have. They don't design a website for you, and also this one there's no website for you. But the 55 Rand package, when you get the hosting for 55 Rand, which you get 2 gig, they also design a one-page website for your business, so which is pretty cool. And then they've got, if you go to web hosting, then let's just say monthly. Then they've got more, which is 65 Rand hosting. It also comes with a 2-page website which they design for you, and the 55 Rand one they designed for you, and the 90 is 3 pages, the 120 is 4 pages, and then the 195 it comes with a 5 pages website for free. So for this one it's 20 gigabytes, which is 195 disk space that you get, and it's got 5,000 email accounts. So there's a whole lot of things that you can do with these guys. And so today we're just going to take a look at how to um, edit this page here. So we want to start by editing right here on our header, right? We want to maybe change this sign up and make it get a quote, and we want to remove this blog because maybe say we're not doing blogs currently. So the first thing that you do is you come and say close. This is now after you have signed up and created, you signed up, you've got on your hosting with Hosting Giants, and you you got your domain as well, and from there you've logged into your client zone from their site, and then logged into your cPanel and went into sitepad, and then you created a site, and then this is where you're going to end up after you've clicked that proceed to install. This is this part where you're going to end up. So now we want to edit the header, right? We say edit, and then from here this is where it's going to take us. So we want to start by editing this sign up, change it into excuse me, and then change it into quote, get a quote. So what you do is you come here and click on the pen, and then you go to the left where it says sign up. You just click on this box, and then you start to edit from there. As you can see, it rubs off. It also removes from here. So as you type, it's also going to change there. So which is, it's cool because it's real time. So we can say get a quote. So if you want to view this, not like this, but in a manner that it shows you the full screen, just this little part here, you just click on it like that. Let's save that first. And then let's say get quote, not a. and then update. This is the part where you have to always update. Save your changes because you won't see them if you don't save your changes. Click that. Okay, so this helps you up. This is gonna change, by the way. This helps you just to see the website more on this site. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's just close that again. And now we want to change. So we've changed this part here. Now we want to change this my website. With this one. Okay. So what we do is let's delete this part here and then put a logo here. Right? We don't want this. We're gonna click on this bin here, and then it's gonna show you something like this. Now we're gonna look for an image where it's gonna automatically go to widgets after you've deleted this. Now you look for something that has to do with image. There's an image. Click and hold on it and then drag it up here. Or rather, yeah, actually, let's just try that and search image. Okay, so let me do that again. So you're just gonna click on the plus sign, right? Click on the plus sign, come here and search image. Then click on the image. Then that's what you're gonna see. Then from here, we're going to transfer a logo. Let's take the Hosting Giants one, which I already have downloaded. So you're gonna click on this, right? And now the logo or any image that we want is not on the website, so we have to upload it. Then you say select files, and it should be lower than 8 megabytes or else it won't upload. Say logo, click on their logo that's transferring, and then say insert. Right, there we go. Now we've got their logo here. And now what we want to do is we want to decrease the spacing, the size. This is too big. So all you do is scroll down and decrease. I think this is fine. And then you have to save your changes. Save. All right. So we've changed two things right now. This is the exact same thing that you do for each and other page and any website that you find on this platform here. So we've changed this to get quotation, and then we've changed it. Now we want to remove this part here where it says blog, but here we won't be able to do that if we click there, because there it is. We can only manipulate it by let's see, let's open that. Okay. Is this the right one? No. Okay. So what we can do here with that, let's let me start that again. Come on. Oh, my internet is so slow today. Okay. So what we can do is let's go to close after you've saved your work, right? Oh, okay, then it shows your data has not been saved. Say cancel, stay on page, then save. Right, and then go to close. Then come here by settings. Sorry, not settings, by menus. You say menu, click on menu, and then you go to blog, and then you click this drop down, and then you just scroll down and say remove. There, it's removed, and now we're just gonna hit on save. Right, that's it. And then from here we can view our site. Let's just view our site. There it is. As you can see, you've got your logo there, and you've got the get quotation, and then that part is deleted. So we can clean this up, but for now let's continue with the thing. We'll clean that later on. And then from here, what we want to do now, let's go back to pages, all pages. Okay, let's go to our home, which is this. As you can see, this part where it says pages, all pages, you get all these pages right here. So now we want to edit. Let's click again on edit home header, because we still have some a little bit of editing to do. We've now edited this part here, and now we want to edit this part here. So you can click on the pen, then after that just click on here, and then say, let's say here, let's say hosting giant, let's say it's another replica, right? And then here we can say welcome to hosting giant, you see? And then from here the same thing applies, where you just click on this pen and then do the same thing. Control A, backspace. We are a hosting company that cares about putting businesses online. Get your business package today. Alright, so when you're done here, again, make sure you update, click on save, update, and then here, now how do you put a link to this button that you see here? So we don't want it to say find out, we just maybe say, we want it to say, let's click on the pen and then go here, or you can come here on the button and click on contact us. Contact us, right? Now if you look down here below the part where you change, there's a part where it says link, right? So you can go ahead and look for this link here, but the best thing to do for me, I like to just come here, click on that, oops, and then we say new window. Oh no, this one does not have it. Okay, so okay, there it is. So here basically when you click on it, it takes you down, it shows you all the other pages. Where do you want this to be? So you just look for the one that has to do with contact. There we go. Then you're just going to click on the contact, and then voila, the link is already here, and then just save this part. Okay, that's how you basically put in any link on a thing. So if we do the same thing with this one, this get a quote. Let's say click on the pen, let's say quote, quotation, okay, and then now we want this to redirect them to contact again. Click on this part, it'll drop down, and then look for contact, click on contact, and then save your changes. Okay, so if you view your website like that, right, now what you can do is you can just click on this part here, quotation, it should take you to your contact. There we go. And then if you look at your contact us, then now you can just fill in this part and ask for whatever it is that you want. Okay, now let's go back. Right, so basically that's how you change the header. Now we want to go back to, let's close here. Let me press again. All pages. And then come here and on home, and then click on home on that pen down there. And then from here, okay. So we are back here now. So you do the exact same thing if you want to change these pages, this content down here. So just click on the pen and then click on the part where you want to change. Let's say we want to erase, and we say best winning creative agency in South Africa, right? Save my changes. Okay, and you do the same thing if we want to change this icon here. We're just going to click on the pen again, and then this time we move to our left hand side where it says icon, find icon box here, and then we say that maybe we want something a little bit different. Let's say we want a laptop, type lab, there we go, laptop is right there, and we want this one with the, there we go, it changes, and then you just save. And buttons is the same thing. You do the same thing again. Click on the pen. No more. So the no more, you say you want to direct them to the about. So you say no more, and then you click on this link. Let's add an about. There it is, about. Click on the about page. Save. Okay, saving changes. So if we go back to our website and scroll down, as you can see, the changes have already taken place here. And then now the no more part, it should take us to about. There it is, about us. Now you can read more about these guys. People can find out more about your website. Okay, let's go back. And then now here, if you look, your website is probably not online as yet, but it's also there's also security here. So the package that you pick, it comes with security as well and email addresses as well. So your website is not visible to people. Let's just say demo. Let's test this out. Is not visible to the public. Oh no, it is. Okay, but say if it wasn't live, right? So what you then gonna do is you're gonna do something. You're gonna find, if you try to access the link. Let's try that. Let's do this. It's gonna, okay, this is live actually. So what you're gonna see whenever you're trying to access the link on this part, it was gonna write under development or under construction or under maintenance. So what you do, if that's the case, then you basically just gonna close and go back to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard, right? And then after that, you're just gonna go to settings, then you go to general, and then you scroll down. Oh no, it's still dev mode is enabled. So I think it's because of this development part, this Firefox here, because I'm building it here. So what you're gonna do, then you're just gonna uncheck this, right? Uncheck and then save. Then by doing this, now your website can be accessed by anybody. Basically, if people Google the business name, if you give them this link, or if you share this link on your social media with your potential clients, then when they click on the link, it will actually direct them straight to the website as seen like this, or whatever it is that you have put here. And then, yeah, so basically that's it. And the other thing that you need to keep in mind is we're going to be using a lot of the settings here, right? So if you, for things like contact, right? Customer comes and they say they want to get in touch with you. They type in their name, let's say Mututu, and then tutu@gmail.com, and they say, I need a website for my business. Please contact me. Okay, then they send, right? It says your message could not be sent, please try again. The reason is that it's because you have not set where the message is supposed to go to. So in that case, all you do is go back to your dashboard, go to settings again, and then look for contact form, click on it, and then from here you just put in the address, your professional address that you have created, right? Not your Gmail, but your professional address, email address that you have created at let's say hosting site.co.za. Oh no, let's write this one, demo, which is this part here, this one. We can just copy that, copy, paste, .co.za, and you can just take this and copy it again here, and then subject line, you can just say thank you for your business, or anything really, or you could just say welcome to our company. All right, and then you just click on save here. So if we try that again under contact, and then we do the same thing, and we say do, right, with the email address, do, okay, and we say testing, then we say submit. As you see, now your message has gone through to the email address which you have specified where it should actually go, which is this one here. All right. So, and then the other thing is information. This is the part where you can change your business information, add your links on the same settings, and then contact form. Contact form. This is the same part where you found your contact form. And then the other thing that you need to note is change your Premier links. Just click on Premier links. Ooh, my internet is very slow today. Okay, and then select post name and then save. So what this means is that when you come here, you see this part here. Now it's just gonna say this page is a contact. Then when you go to about, this page is a contact. So the Premier link just helps your clients identify just what this part of the site is actually. And then from here, selecting after doing your permalinks, what we can do is go to editor settings. That's the same part where you can change your site information. Menus, if you go to menu, you can actually rearrange your navigation by changing this around. All you do is just hold this, point your mouse on this and then hold it and then slide it all the way down, let go, and then click on save menu. All right, so the same thing applies for all the other pages. It's the exact same editing that you are going to do. And if you want to edit again your footer, which is this part here, let me show you. I'll show you just now. So it's the bottom, it's the last part of your website, right? So if you want to edit something like this, it's the same thing. All you had to do was go to your dashboard and then find where it says footer and then click on edit on your right hand side, and then you start editing, and then edit using this pen. Click on it, Control A. Thank you for saying, or you can just put a description, description of your company basically. All right, and then you can do the same things with these ones. Oops. Yeah. These ones right here. Okay, 111 and say Pretoria. All right, just like that. And that's how you basically start to edit your site page, and you just launch your website, and that's it. You're good to go. And if you need any help, please reach out on our WhatsApp, as we've shared the link with you guys, and some of you are in the group. Please go ahead and reach us so that we can assist you. Thank you so much for watching, and yep, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you.